Here we are on a Calesa. We didn't. My first time. And apparently not George's
time in Calesa. Oh, look.
Not George's first time.
First time.
First.
Hey! Aray, dyan mo muna doon sa may Del Pilar. Del Pilar, ano yan? Habang kami yun? Sabay lang, ha? Hanapin ko dito. Kaya yan yun eh.
How nice it is. So relaxing. Parang prince. I feel like a prince.
Sa Maynila, meron na ganito.
Ah, okay.
Kaya naman traffic dun.
The traffic.
Hindi mo ma-enjoy.
Ah, okay.
Calle Plardel, pre. Pre. Calle Plardel.
Oh, Lord
Tayo
love us.
kasama namin. Hey!